What a great way to end off this horrible day. I can't believe they had the nerve to say that about you. No, it's not fine. I'm happy they got kicked out of the party by your friend. But still, they said something bad about you. I couldn't just let that slide. What they said about you wasn't even true. Not charming at all. Come on, even a blind person could sense with their smell or something how charming you are. Then they said you weren't even cuddleable. Like, I'm getting it firsthand right now, and I can tell you how wrong they are. But still, what a unique insult to say to someone. Babe, if you were like me, you wouldn't be saying that. What they said about you, you shouldn't be standing for. Lucky for you, I'm here to tell you exactly how it is. You should have seen their faces when I yelled at them from behind. Sometimes being so well known is a chore. Thankfully, I like talking, but I swear, the number of people who know me slowly creep up as time goes on. Back to the point. They were so shocked to see that I was your girlfriend. It looked like they thought you were lying about calling me or something. Yeah, you're right about that. They will never be proven wrong, 'cause you'll have me forever and always. Though, that's not something I can complain about, because to me, that sounds like heaven. I don't know what people were more surprised about. You being able to calm me down, or the fact that we are dating. I didn't know it was that unknown that we are together. I mean, we hang out all the time. Just because you're camera shy and I don't have pictures of us on my Instagram shouldn't mean anything. At least if they actually were fans of mine, or at least respected me as much as they say. Wait, maybe that's why I get asked out so much. Because people don't know I'm dating you? Okay, baby, time for a selfie. Oh, come on. Don't try to escape. If you don't take this picture of us, no more kisses for a few days. That would be torture for both of us, wouldn't it be? So, for us both, sit still and let me take this picture of us. That's the spirit. Okay, let me scoot up you a bit. Now let me snuggle into you. Oh, I can hear your heartbeat. I love hearing it beat faster the closer I get to you. Now, let me just take this picture real quick. Perfect. Now, let me just post that. And done. Now, let's hope people realize that you are mine and I am yours. Now, about that reward you wanted for letting me do that. I bet that was worth it, right? Now, I just wanted to let you know, before we drift to sleep watching TV, that I appreciate you. More than you could know. Despite what others say, you are amazing. There isn't anything I would change about you. Other than you being camera shy. But other than that, you are the perfect partner for me. I am never letting you go. You are too much of a gift to let go. Oh, no need for those. Wait, what was that noise you just made? Don't what noise me. You know exactly what noise I'm talking about. Sit. What noise did you make, puppy? Don't make me ask you again. No, you can't hear me over the TV? Okay then. Now, last chance. What was that noise you made? What noise? Oh, puppy, you have no idea what you're dealing with. My patience is running very thin. If you won't tell me, then maybe I'll get close to your neck and breathe warm breath onto you. Softly stroke my hand around your wrists. Gently move my thighs around your legs. I then might just softly lick your neck and softly kiss lower and lower, stripping your mind and soul with just my touch, making you yearn for more. Then maybe I'll get down to your pants and... Oh, there it is, puppy. I didn't know you could whimper like that. How could you hide this from me? Just when I thought you couldn't become any more precious. Once again, you proved me wrong. I usually hate when people do that. But when you do it, it's always such a nice surprise. Always makes me wonder what else you're hiding from me. Oh, don't struggle, puppy. It's okay. I'm here to take care of you. There's no need for such defiance and disobedience now, is there? Puppy, I'm warning you. Stop struggling. Good boy. See, you can listen. Now, before you have another little episode, how about I give your tongue a little workout? Just so you can make those cute little whimpers that I want to hear. Oh, come on. Give that energy, puppy. You'll need it. Now, come here. Let's turn you into a panting puppy. There we go, baby. How's being in subspace? I bet it's amazing feeling my hands holding down yours with little to no effort. I don't even think you're trying anymore, are you? Not that you want to. Isn't that right? Nod for me. Good boy. Now, while I have you here like this, I'm going to give you some new rules. Okay, puppy? Good pets do tricks for a treat. They only do tricks if a reward is involved. But good boys, on the other hand, well, good boys do tricks when they are told to, reward involved or not. Now I don't know about you, puppy, but to me, you're the goodest boy I know of. Isn't that right? See? Good boy. Now, time for the rules you must always follow. You will always make sure it's known that you are taken. I don't want to have to call her my good boy, just to make sure people will know he's taken. Even though, one day I might. Second rule. I realize how much you love seeing me above you like this. However, when I feel like, I don't know, sitting on your lap or climbing on top of you, I will pat an area beside me twice. If we are in public, I want you to sit on that exact spot so I may sit on your lap. But if we are by ourselves and I pat an area twice, I want you to lay down on your back and hold your hands above your head so I may climb on you as well as pin you down. Do I make myself clear, puppy? Good boy. For the third and most important rule, whenever we are kissing, or whenever I'm kissing your neck, even in public, I want you to whimper. I don't mind how loud you do it, as long as you whimper for me, puppy. Understood? Repeat the rules back to me. That's correct. Good boy. Let's see if you'll actually listen to those rules and obey them, shall we? Come here, puppy. I don't know if it's because you're panting, or if it's because you're a sub, or if it's your whimpers. But God, that kiss was better than any other prior. Oh, puppy. You're drooling more and more as we kiss. Am I a good treat? I hope so, because you also taste amazing. As your reward for being a good boy, your mistress is going to take her top off for you and kiss you more. Then maybe, just maybe, I'll let you have some fun, okay? Good boy. Now come here. I want to see if me having one less piece of clothing affects how much you whimper. Don't worry though, puppy. I'll take care of you tonight.